Are you tired of sitting on the chair during your job and you don't have much options to get up and move around? Did you know poor posture and continuous sitting can hamper the body in many ways? Today I bring to you a 9-minute sequence of total body workout while sitting completely on the chair. Movement is necessary and we are going to move all our body parts while being in the chair. Start with sitting with a straight back and shoulders backwards. First, let's do some neck movements by taking the head back and looking up. Bring the head down and touch your chin to the sternum. Again, head back and look up. Then slowly look down. Let's do this once more. Now rotate the neck and look towards your right. Move the neck and look towards your left. Bring your chin in line with your shoulder. Doing this once more. Now rotate your neck in a circle clockwise first. Make sure to move your neck slowly and gently. Three rounds and change the direction to anti-clockwise. Making 3 rounds again. Now interlock your fingers and raise both your arms up. Stretch upwards completely. Slowly bend to the right and then to the left. Again, gently move to the right and then to the left. Finish with one more round. Now, keeping right arm on the armrest, raise your left arm and bend towards the right. Go far as much as you can. Raise the right arm and bend towards the left. Feel your side muscles getting activated. Complete 2 more rounds with me. Now raise both your arms and join them. Keep the elbows straight. Twist from your torso towards the right. Remember to keep your back straight all the time. Complete 3 rounds by twisting in both the directions. Now bring your left hand on the opposite armrest, that is on the right armrest. Take your right hand behind and twist your torso completely. This should feel like an intense twist on your waist. Move to the other side by bringing your right hand on the left armrest this time and taking the left hand behind. Twist completely while looking back. Doing this once more on both the sides. Come back to the center, take both your arms up on inhaling. Make sure your knees are bent and legs are together. Exhale and bend forward from the waist. You'll easily be able to touch your toes or the floor while bending forward, so make sure you give it 100%. Slowly come up while inhaling and bringing your arms up as in the starting position. Let's do this one more time. Inhale, raise your arms. Exhale, bend forward and touch your toes. Let's start with warming up and moving our ankles. Lift both your legs, keeping the knees straight. Flex your ankle joint and then extend it, pointing the toes forward. Do it 3 times. Now rotate both your feet together 3 times and change the direction for 3 more rounds. Bend the knees and keep the feet down. Now lift your right knee and hold it with both your hands to press it against your chest. Bring the leg down and now lift the left knee and press it towards your chest with both your hands. Complete this round by doing 2 more sets. Now place your right ankle over the left knee. The left knee should be bent and in a normal position. On inhaling, take both your arms up. Exhale and bend forward. You may or may not reach till your toes, but bend down completely so that your belly touches your thighs. Inhale, pull yourself up. Now cradle your right leg in both your arms. You should be feeling a stretch in the outer side of the right thigh region. Hold the right foot and bring it close to the forehead. Remember, don't bend the neck, just to touch your forehead on the toes. Keep the back and neck straight. Relax by bringing the leg down. Doing the same sequence with the left leg now. Place the left ankle over the right knee. Inhale, arms up, exhale, bring your arms down and bend forward. I'll be completing this round and you can follow along. These poses also help in relieving leg pains and pains of sciatica. They also improve the flexibility of the pelvis and promotes good functioning of the reproductive organs. Now bring both your feet on the chair and join the soles of your feet together. This is the butterfly pose. Now bring the knees together with your hands and again separate them. Continue this movement for 6 rounds. Now grasp your feet between your hands. Breathe in first and as you breathe out, gently bend forward. Stay in this position for 10 seconds and come up. Keep your legs down and shift your hips a little forward near the edge of the chair to perform the next few exercises. Raise both your legs together, keeping the knees bent, hold from the thighs and stay in this pose for 10 seconds. This is the boat pose but on the chair. Try to keep the back straight and avoid leaning on the chair, so your core is engaged. Do this once more for another 10 seconds. Now let's do 3 more core exercises before we finish this sequence. Lean back a little and pull your knees towards your chest. Straighten and then pull them again. Continue 10 times. Keeping the legs up, move them sideways in a crisscross form. Again, continue for 10 rounds. Now flutter your legs alternatively for another 10 rounds. You can repeat the last 4 core exercises for another 2 sets. I hope you enjoyed this sequence. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Girls Buzz channel. Thank you.